today's video is a haul video. So I shopped a lot during sale. Like in December I was shopping non-stop, so I picked a few stuff and I thought I should show you guys what I got. So the first package is from H&M. Not much, I didn't pick up much from H&M. I just got few things. So the first one is these cute shorts I got from H&M, and these were originally $7.99 and I got them for $3.50. They are yellow color. I got them because I thought they are pretty orange, but as I'm going to travel soon, so I thought this will be perfect for it. Next up I got from H&M is this really cute crop top. I just got it for lazing around and layering and stuff. I think this goes really well with these shorts, so yeah. And the last thing I got from H&M is this really cute pants. Like, see them? Yeah, they are so pretty. It's a denim pant with a silver kind of a stud detailing over here. So I got them because I saw Juhi Gurdambi's pants with pearl detailing she got in her New York video for her shoot, and I really loved those, and they were there also, but I knew that I'm not gonna wear them much, so I picked these up. So I don't know what is next. Okay, there's a lot of stuff here. Those who know me, they know me that I'm like a freaking online shopper. I shop a lot online, and that's why I didn't shop end of the season in malls much, but I shopped on Jabong and Myntra. Jabong is my originally favorite site, but this time I spent a bit on Myntra too. So I'm gonna start with Myntra because there's a lot of stuff from Myntra. First thing I got is this blue denim. It's a really simple denim, if you see, and it's really soft, and this is from Marston Harbour. And I think I got a pretty good deal on Myntra. Like, all the stuff I bought came around like in 3K, so you can like guess the prices that I got this for so cheap, and this was originally for $16.99. So this is like a everywhere denim. I really needed more denim, so I have shopped a lot of bottoms this season. The second thing I got is this light wash denim. This is from Roadster, and I absolutely love this color. Like, I can think of so many outfits with this. I'm gonna do so many shoots. So this is the second denim I got. I bought few basics. Like, I got this really cute t-shirt, kind of a crop top with black and white stripes on it, and next one I got is this black crop top with a thing like this. I think you're gonna see me wearing this very soon. The next thing I got from Myntra is this really cute yellow mustard top. I am in love with this color this season. I think this is really the color of the season, and this mustard top I got, and it's from my favorite brand only. Next thing I got is this off-shoulder black top. So it's like a party top. It has a sequin detailing over here. So I think I'm gonna wear it for my friend's birthday, which is coming very soon. And I really like it. It's a nice dressy top. You can dress them with nice pants and it's gonna look amazing. So I think that's it for my Myntra haul. And next up is Flipkart, because I just bought one thing from Flipkart. Like in sense of clothes, I just bought one thing from Flipkart. So that is this really cute dress, which I was supposed to wear on my birthday, but I didn't get a chance to wear it. This cute dress with a lace thing over here and a denim skirt kind of a feel. And yeah, I'm gonna wear this soon. I don't know where. Next is my Jabong haul. This is actually the first thing I bought in the season. Like, I always keep wish listing things on my Jabong thing, and so I got this, and I really wanted this for a really long time. Opening it, you can see that I've kept the price tags on because I wanted to shoot this video. And yeah, this is the next thing I got. It's a blue denimish denim. It's not denim actually, it gives you a denim feel. It's a denim and top with the print or white print over it, and it's from People. People is one of my favorite brands actually from Jabong. So I think I'm gonna rock this denim and denim kind of a thing with this. The next thing I got is this t-shirt dress from Jabong, and it's from Cult Fiction. And those who know me, I love t-shirt dresses. Like, they're so comfortable. This I actually end up wearing on my birthday. It has nice detailing over here, and it looks super chic and it's super comfortable. I can tell you, it's so soft material. I got this graphic t-shirt. So if you see, this t-shirt is similar to one I'm wearing, but this is a bit thick material, so I can't wear it all the time, but I really wanted a print like this. So I got a similar t-shirt which I can just wear it with the jeans for college and stuff. So yeah, this is again from People, I guess. Yeah, it's from People, and it has nice graphic print over it with shoes and burger and everything. I absolutely love it. Second last thing, we're almost there, guys. The haul is about to get over. Yeah. So this is a rust pink t-shirt. I'm recently loving this color, like this pink color. It's called millennial pink, I guess. I'm not really sure, but yeah, this is on Next, and it's a really basic t-shirt. You see already crumpled because I actually wanted to wear it for a shoot, but the shoot got cancelled. I want to pair this t-shirt with those denims I showed you from H&M with the stud detailing. I think it's gonna look really cool with my boots and stuff. So yeah, this is a bit actually huge for me, but I like the color, so I kept it and absolutely loving it. And the last thing I got from Jabong, which I was eyeing for so long. I really wanted a top like this, and I finally have it, and I'm so happy, and I'm gonna wear it to the trip, which I'll not tell you guys. This is it. This is the top I wanted. It is a wrap-up top with a flower detailing and the blue and white stripes. This I got like a really cheap deal. I'm gonna link the prices below because I don't remember, but it's originally for $14.99. So yeah, this is a top I was dying for, and I'm so looking forward to wear it and pair it with so many amazing things. I just came back from Colaba, so I picked up some more stuff, so I'm going to show you guys that too. Those who know me, I love sunglasses, and you see these. So I actually lost 5 of my H&M sunglasses. Like every trip I lose one. So I'm going for a trip again, and I wanted a few sunglasses for my looks. So I thought if I buy again and invest again in H&M, they're gonna be waste of money. So I picked up from Colaba these 100 rupees. I think these were for 150 each, and I picked these up. The first one is, I'm gonna show you one by one. That's it for my haul video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and you can't see the mess right now because there's stuff everywhere. I just unpacked everything because I wanted to keep it new and clean till the time I don't shoot this again. I didn't want to use it, though I end up using one of the dresses. And I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Tell me which was your favorite top, and I'm gonna link down the prices like on the screen somewhere, like what original price was and what I got it for actually. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and give it a thumbs up. Bye.